Hey there, Super Solvers, and welcome. Are you ready to go on an awesome adventure? Today, we are going to become word puzzle champions. All right, let's jump right in.
You know when you look at your homework and it just seems like a secret code? All these weird boxes and clues? Well, I've got good news. It's not a secret code, it's a puzzle. And today, I'm going to let you in on all the secret tricks to solve every single one.
Okay, first up, the mighty crossword puzzle. Yeah, I know, it can look a little tricky with all those empty squares, but don't you worry. We're about to learn exactly how to beat it, one step at a time.
Believe it or not, beating a crossword is as easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm serious. First, you just look at the clue. Second, you find the word that matches. And third, this is the best part, you get to write it in. That's it.
All right, let's do one together. Take a look at this puzzle. See number 1 down? The clue is a picture. What is that a picture of? Yep, you got it. It's a fluffy white sheep. Awesome. Step 1 is already done.
Okay, on to step 2. Let's peek over at the word bank on the side. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find the word sheep. Let's see. S-H-E-E-P. Aha! There it is! We found our match! And here we go, the final step. We take that word sheep and we're going to carefully write it right into the boxes for 1 down. Remember, just 1 letter in each box. Let's do it. S-H-E-E-P. Perfect. Look at that. You just solved your very first crossword clue.
Awesome job. Okay, now it's your turn to be the word detective. See the clue for 4 across? I want you to find the word for that picture in the word bank and then write it in the boxes. Go ahead and pause right here and give it a shot.
Wow, you did amazing on that crossword. So, you ready for a brand new challenge? Good, because our next puzzle is all about riddles and rhymes. So this one's called a riddle in the middle, and the secret trick to solving it is all about finding words that rhyme. For example, see where the puzzle asks what rhymes with chain. If you can find the word that sounds like chain in the word bank, you've solved the puzzle. You know, rhyming words are kind of like sound twins. They might start with a different sound, but they end with the exact same sound. Just listen. Tray, clay. See? Or how about this? Chain, rain. Being able to spot these rhymes, that's a total superpower for solving riddles.
All right, let's put that new superpower to the test. What do you say? For this puzzle, all we have to do is read the riddle and then draw a line to the picture that we think is the answer. Okay, let's tackle riddle E together. It says, I am white. I am cold. I am, what in the world is white and cold? Let's scan the pictures. They'll give us a clue.
Well, is a pie white and cold? Not usually. But what about that little cube over there? It's definitely white, and it sure looks very cold. I think that's gotta be it. The answer is ice. Let's go ahead and draw a line right from the riddle to the picture of the ice. Fantastic work.
You guys are becoming amazing word puzzle solvers. Seriously. For our last challenge today, we're going to look at a totally different kind of word puzzle. How we send messages super fast using technology. So check out this picture. There's a boy. His name is Arjun, and he needs to get a message to his friend. Now, a long time ago, you'd have to write a letter and wait for days. But today, we can solve that whole puzzle of sending messages in just the blink of an eye. Just listen to what his mom is telling him. She says he can use a video chat or send an email. Have you heard those words before? They're really special ways we can talk to people using, you guessed it, technology.
Now this has a really big, fancy name. It's called electronic communication. Whoa! But all that really means is sending our words, our pictures, even our own faces to our friends really fast. We just use things like computers and phones and the internet. It's kind of like sending mail, but with superpowers.
So, what are some of these awesome super fast ways to talk to people? Well, you can do a video chat where you actually see your friends. Or you can send an email, which is kind of like a digital letter. Or you can even send photos instantly.
Wow. Just stop and think about everything we learned today. This wasn't just about homework, was it? No way. You just gained a whole bunch of brand new word superpowers. Let's review all your new powers. You can totally solve a crossword puzzle, no problem. You can spot rhyming words from a mile away. You can figure out tricky riddles just by looking for clues. And now you even know all about sending super fast digital messages. You are officially a super solver. You know, All of these skills just go to show that words are more than just words. They're tools. They're for having fun, for solving puzzles, and for talking with the people we really care about. So I have one last question for you. With all your awesome new superpowers, what amazing message will you write today?